As an entrepreneur, having the right tools at your disposal can make all the difference in your success. Today, we're going to cover the essential tools every entrepreneur needs to succeed. First on the list is a robust project management tool. Whether you're working solo or leading a team, keeping your tasks organized is crucial. Tools like Trello, Asana, or Monday.com allow you to create tasks, set deadlines, and track progress, ensuring nothing falls through the cracks. Next up is a reliable communication platform. Clear communication is key to any business, especially if you have a remote team. Tools like Slack, Microsoft Teams, or Zoom make it easy to stay connected, share files, and hold virtual meetings, keeping everyone on the same page. Financial management software is another must-have. Managing your finances can be overwhelming, but tools like QuickBooks, Xero, or FreshBooks simplify the process. They help you keep track of expenses, send invoices, manage payroll, and generate financial reports, so you always know where your business stands financially. Another essential tool is a customer relationship management (CRM) system. Your customers are the lifeblood of your business, and managing those relationships effectively is crucial. Tools like Salesforce, HubSpot, or Zoho CRM help you track customer interactions, manage leads, and nurture relationships, ensuring you provide top-notch service. For marketing, social media management tools are indispensable. Managing multiple social media accounts can be time-consuming, but tools like Hootsuite, Buffer, or Sprout Social allow you to schedule posts, monitor engagement, and analyze performance all in one place. Email marketing platforms are also essential for reaching and engaging with your audience. Tools like MailChimp, ConvertKit, or Constant Contact make it easy to create and send email campaigns, track open rates, and manage your subscriber list, helping you stay connected with your customers. If you're running an online business, e-commerce platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, or BigCommerce are vital. These tools provide everything you need to set up and manage your online store, from payment processing to inventory management, making it easier to sell your products online. Analytics tools are crucial for making data-driven decisions. Google Analytics, for instance, provides insights into your website traffic, user behavior, and conversion rates, helping you understand what's working and where you can improve. For creating and managing content management systems, CMS like WordPress, Squarespace, or Wix are essential. These platforms allow you to build and maintain your website, create blog posts, and manage your content easily, even if you're not a tech expert. Finally, every entrepreneur needs a good file storage and sharing solution. Tools like Google Drive, Dropbox, or OneDrive offer cloud storage where you can store, organize, and share files with your team or clients securely, ensuring that your important documents are always accessible. In summary, having the right tools is essential for every entrepreneur looking to succeed, from project management and communication to financial management and marketing. These tools help you stay organized, efficient, and focused on growing your business. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and share it with other entrepreneurs looking to level up their toolkit.